The 2026 BMW R 1300 GS Option 719 Biscaya represents the most refined expression of BMW Motorrad's legendary adventure flagship. More than just a colorway or trim level, Option 719 is a statement of heritage, craftsmanship, and exclusivity, and in Biscaya Blue, it elevates the R 1300 GS into a rolling piece of premium industrial art. At the heart of this machine lies BMW's latest 1,300 cubic centimeters boxer engine, delivering stronger low-end torque, sharper throttle response, and a more compact architecture than its predecessor. Power delivery is effortlessly muscular, making long-distance touring feel relaxed while still offering instant punch when the road opens up or the trail turns demanding. Paired with a reworked chassis and optimized weight distribution, the R 1300 GS feels noticeably more agile without sacrificing the rock-solid stability GS riders expect. What truly sets the Option 719 Biscaya apart is its visual and tactile detailing. The deep metallic Biscaya Blue finish contrasts elegantly with brushed aluminum elements, CNC machined components, and exclusive Option 719 badging. From the precision-milled foot pegs to the beautifully finished engine covers, every detail reflects BMW's commitment to premium manufacturing. This is a GS designed not just to conquer terrain, but to be admired up close at every stop. Technologically, the 2026 R 1300 GS remains at the forefront of the segment. Advanced riding modes, adaptive suspension, dynamic traction control, and the latest generation BMW Motorrad connectivity system ensure the bike adapts seamlessly to rider, load, and surface conditions. Whether crossing continents or navigating mountain passes, the electronics work discreetly in the background, enhancing confidence without dulling the riding experience. Comfort and ergonomics have also been refined. A slimmer profile, adjustable seat height, and improved wind protection make long days in the saddle easier than ever. Heated grips, cruise control, and a premium TFT display come together to reinforce the R 1300 GS's reputation as the ultimate all-round adventure motorcycle. The 2026 BMW R 1300 GS Option 719 Biscaya is not merely an upgrade. It is a celebration of what the GS stands for. Bold, capable, and exquisitely finished, it speaks to riders who demand performance without compromising on style and exclusivity. This is adventure touring, elevated to an art form.